Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to sign up in ChatGPT. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. So first of all, open a web browser. Now go to chat.openai.com. Tap on sign up. Write your email address. Tap on continue. Type your password. Tap on continue again. My Wi-Fi is a little slow, so it is taking a little time. Now here you can see the message is we send an email to my email address. Click the link inside to get started. Now go to your email address. For example, a message like this will be sent to you. Simply tap on verify email address and you will be signed up. So this is it for today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more like this. See you in the next one. Goodbye.